Hello everyone, it's Moses here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a week session. But first of all, before I do that, I want to discuss two systems that this program is trying to cut. The first system is that one whereby everything that the student does is put together in order to calculate the final grade. The other part of the system caters a place where it's just the final exam that is considered to uh, to amount to the final grade of the students in that term. Okay, so this part handles the first option. Um, it, it covers all the work that the student has done in the term, and you assign percentages to those works that you've assigned to the students, and then you calculate the final grade using the percentages that you have given. Okay. At the same time, the advantage of this is that I've also connected it to the transcript, so you can get that final grade and throw it to the transcript of a student, and you'll be able to print that transcript and things like that. But you have both activities. You have the final grade, which is going to be recorded on the transcript, and also you have all the activities that uh, that the student has done in that specific term. Okay, so in order for you to create a work session, what you need to do is that you need to select yourself as a teacher, select the grade that you are teaching. The indicator is going to tell you that the grade is on. I'm going to select the subject. For now, we're going to go with English. Select the week, select the term, select the year, and the first thing that you need to do here is to choose the prev entry first, in order for you to see if there's anything in the database or not. This is to avoid any duplication in the database. So prev entry. As you can see, we already have some information in the database. That's why we have a list of students showing up here. But if we select week number 2 and then leave everything as they are, alright, so this is what is going to show up when you don't have anything in the database for that specific week or term or year or something like that. Okay, so let's go back to week number 1 and then click the same button. Alright, so now we have our week ready, and then we can assign some works to the students on the day that we are teaching. Alright, so before we create before we assign any work to the students, I want to explain what you see here. So first of all, the subject that you are teaching is going to show up here and your name here, and the work type just simply means the type of work that you're giving the pupils or the student. Is it a homework, or is it an exam? Is it a test, or is it some kind of a project, something like that? And this is a date for the date on which you assign that work to the students. And then assignment short description. This is just, it can be anything, but it's just there to help you keep track of what you're doing on that specific day. Okay, and the work type code, H type rule stand for homework, TQ test/quiz. Some people, they would prefer to use test, some they would prefer to use quiz, but either way, it depends on which one you want to use, but that's what that means. PJ just means project, and then EX means exam. Okay, what you see over here, this one just keeps the total score for each assigned for each assigned work. So for example, if you assigned a homework here and then you assign the homework on Tuesday also and also on Wednesday, these homeworks are going to be added up to find that total. Same applies to the other work type. Okay. If you want to assign percentages to this class, now take in mind the percentages that you assign here are for the whole term. It can be for the whole term, but it depends with the number of weeks that you are going to deal with here. If in the term you have 14 weeks, then as you continue to add some assignments to the students in different weeks, the total, like all the homeworks, for example, all the points that you assigned to the homework, they're going to be added up, and whatever the student got in each homework is also going to be added up. So the homework percentage, for example, if it's 20% here, then the final mark for the homework for that student in that term to be everything that the person got over the total times the assigned assigned percentage. So that will be the mark for the homework for that specific term. Same applies to the test and same applies to project and also exam. Not to find the final grade, you just add those at the result that you got by calculating the percentages, then you have the final grade.